FGX 5-litre V8 supercharged weapon. In my opinion, these are the holy grail. I'm not exaggerating it by any means. Like, these are hands down the best car on the Aussie market that you could ever choose to modify. They give the best result with the least amount of cash without having to overthink anything at all. They just work. They did such a good job with this build. Why did Ford disappear after this? I don't know. Like, this was like the best thing they ever did. You know, 5-litre quad cam, you know, V8, herrod supercharged, 1900 blower on top. You know, yeah, they didn't come out with intercooler on top from factory, but there was so much potential with this engine. I just don't know why they did not continue on with it. It's so frustrating. Of all the cars that we modify here in the shop, this is the best. I know I said before holy grail, but man, they are seriously the best and easiest car. So this one's come to us just to get one of our stage 3 packages. So the stage 3 package basically consists of high flow injectors, a fuel pump upgrade, and the Herrod performance intercooler kit. So this is the intercooler kit here, actually sandwiches in between the two bases. It's got a brick in there, all sealed up using a PWR core, front mount head condenser, which is, if you can just sort of see it down in there. There's the bottle there to fill it up. You know, Herrods have done just a magic job with this kit. It is OE as it gets, second to none. This is all we've ever used in these things, and they just repeatable results every time. It does use a Romac harmonic balancer, different size pulley and so on, but you know, from a tuning perspective, you just hop in these cars and you start tuning, and I seriously, you can just turn your brain onto dumb mode and they tune so good. You never ever really have to overthink or really think about what you're doing when you're modifying this particular combination, because it's so good that it just works in every single way. The only letdown is we don't have inlet, you know, exhaust cam control, because from the factory they only use it on the inlet. But you know, that's not really a big deal. So and there's some really good results to be made by playing with the variable cam timing once you get your head wrapped around how the system works. So, but this is now making 484 kilowatts at the hub, 744 Newton meters. I do apologize, I did not get a pace line on this car. I just last week was just so full on that I just completely forgot to get it on here and get a baseline, and I do apologise. But you know, nevertheless, like, they just make so much power. Boost wise, you know, it comes up on and sits around 11 pound, and then as you're approaching red line, just flicks up a little bit there. A lot of work can be controlled here. A lot of people will start to get boost creep around here as it comes up, but with some fine tuning of the variable cam timing, moving the inlet cam, you can actually take control of that that boost creep and actually get the engine to consume the air and make horsepower. So, but yeah, you know, good six. This has got the 6-speed manual in it, but with the ZF behind them. Yeah, look, I love these cars. I really do. I want one. I want to get my hands on one because this is the car I'd love to pass down to my family. So, but anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Sorry I didn't have it before run, but you get the idea. You know, like, you know, just under 500 kilowatts with a simple injector fuel pump and an intercooler upgrade. No more trickery than that. This car does have high flow catalytic converters on it. Oh, sorry, no, it's got a catback exhaust on it. I do apologise. But yeah, top results. Anyway, guys, thanks again. See you next week.